AEG AutoDose is an automatic and precise detergent dosage solution which keeps your clothes looking like new for longer. The new AEG AutoDose detergent drawer has 2 automatic and 2 manual compartments for full flexibility. The automatic compartments store enough liquid detergent and softener for approximately 20 washes, and the manual compartments can be used for special detergents or additives. For your convenience, the drawer can be easily taken out and cleaned if needed. Did you know that overdosing detergent can damage the fibers in your cotton clothing by compromising the effect of softener? Over time, this can cause fabrics to tear quicker, colors to fade, and garments to shrink. Thanks to AEG AutoDose precise dosage, cottons resist to tearing 3 times longer. AEG uses ProSense technology to weigh the load to the nearest kilo and then automatically calculate the optimal laundry time, water and energy, along with the precise amount of detergent and softener needed for that specific load. This saves you time, energy, water and detergent, and your clothes will look like new for longer. Your AEG AutoDose washing machine is connected and will send you notifications via the My AEG Care app for detergent refills, letting you customize your dosage preferences. You can also use the basic AutoDose settings via your washing machine's control panel, and once activated, they will remain on by default. Precise detergent dosage every time. AEG AutoDose.